Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to find the topmost product name. So each month wise, so year wise, we're going to see. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding in SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI plus DAX. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'll try to explain each and every step what I've done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported to design this report under. Okay, so category, customer, date, geography, internet sales, product, sales territory, and subcategory. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also I have created one more table, that is a product ranking. So I have used this table as a slicer, so I'll try to show what kind of data it contains. So if we go to the data, just click on product ranking. Now you can see that top 1 2 3 4. So I have used this column as a slicer. So why I have created one more column? Because for sorting purpose, sometimes it's not giving like ascending and descending order. So that is the reason I have created another column for supporting to sorting purpose. Okay, now we'll try to understand the relationship. Just click on model, collapse these two, scroll down a little bit. Now you can see that already I have enabled the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. For example, if you place the mouse over here, we can see that based on the date column, so in date table, based on the date and internet sales order date key, I have enabled the relationship between the date and internet sales. Even you can understand what kind of direction it is. It's like a one direction to many direction. It means that filter for application flowing from the dimension table to the fact table. Likewise, I have enabled the relationship to other tables also. In going forward, we'll try to focus on more on the relationship. For timing, we'll try to understand today's report only. Okay, just click on report. So now we can see that, so this is the matrix as well. So in this we have year as well as month. So in 2001, so in 2001, so these are the months. So basically we have data from July month only, so up to December. In 2002, these are the months. In 2003, 4. Okay, so what I am calculating here, so each month wise, what is the topmost product name? Okay, so each month wise, what is the topmost product name? In July month, so this is the product. So I'll try to take the snipping. I'll explain. Okay, just so if you see here, in 2001 year, so this is the sales amount. So in this, what is the topmost product sales? So this product is most performed product in 2001. But with respect to the July month, August month, which product is got more sales? This product. So this is the road 56, red 56, red 48, red 44. So likewise, each month wise we have the product, what are the product performed well, so we are fetching that product name with respect to the year and month wise. Okay, even we can use this slicer whether you want to top 1. Based on this slicer, we can easily find whether you want to find the top 1 product with respect to the month and year, top 2 or top 3 or top 4. We can use this slicer whether you want to find which one. And also we can see that region wise sales. So United States, Australia, Canada, United Kingdom, Germany and France. Based on the region also we can check. For example, if you want to find the Canada region, so you want to see the top 4 product name. Okay, now you can see that each month wise top 4 product name. But if you observe here, so in September month there are no products. Why? So is there any wrong with these measures? Yeah, we'll try to see that is also. So I have another page. So just click on France at September month, top in 2001. top 4. Okay, so which month? Canada. Yeah, Canada. Just click on Canada. So now we can see that because in this all filter criteria, like year is 2001 or region name is Canada and month name is September, so we have only 3 products. Okay, so we have only sales for these 3 products, so that is the reason we are not getting the 4th product, so for the Canada country in this selection. Okay, even you can select France also, we can get same kind of problem only. So it doesn't mean that it's not giving wrong, not right data, but due to the lack of data it's giving the blank only. Okay, so even so we'll try to understand what kind of expressions we have created to get this report on all. So go to the demo measures, so total sales, try to zoom it. So I have used the is blank and calculate some X function. So if the sales are blank means write in the blank, otherwise write in this expression. So rank 1. So here I have used the rank X function, and also one more thing I want to tell. So why I have created 2 measures? Because both are giving the same output only. Why I have created 2 measures means, for example, there are some cases product names are maybe similar price with respect to any kind of month. So in that case rank will be different whether you use the ascending order, dense and escape. So that is the reason I have created 2 measures for dense and escape. So even I'll try to show the what same thing I have used in the measures also. So in this measure I have used the escape, in this one I have used the dense. So based on that it will give the ranking. So best selling product. So here I am finding the, so what are the product we have selected. For example, based on this selection I have used the selected value function to pick up what are the value I selected. So I'm just filtering the data. Okay, based on that we are getting. So likewise I have designed the report. So I hope you like this report. So similar kind of already I have published a video, so please try to watch, because I have explained different examples with the RankX. So if you watch all those examples, so definitely will get a familiar in RankX. So that's all for today's video. So thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Stay tuned for videos. Thanks so much.